There are times when we need to generate random values in Excel. Both rand and rand between can help us on this mission. While they may sound similar, and indeed they share similarities, they also have clear differences. After watching this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when to use each one. Let's start. We'll start with the rand function. Its structure is very simple since it has no arguments. We just write equal rand and it's ready. This function generates a random decimal number between 0 and 1. New value is generated again each time we force the worksheet to recalculate. This happens automatically when we insert a new value, when we delete a value, when we delete or add either a column or a row, and in general as we edit our workbook. In addition, we can manually recalculate the worksheet at any moment we want by pressing the F9 button. If we don't want these automatic calculations, we can stop them by going Formulas, Calculation Options, and making it manual. So now the only way to recalculate the random values is by pressing F9 as we saw earlier, or by pressing one of these two buttons. The first calculates the whole workbook, which is the same as pressing F9, while the second calculates only this worksheet. Rand between returns an integer number between the range we will define. For example, if we want a random whole number between 1 and 100, we will write equal rand between 1 and 100. And it's ready. Like with the rand function, we can manually calculate the function by pressing F9. Rand can be useful when we want to generate percentages, since all decimal numbers are also percentages. For example, 0.36 equals 36%. It's also useful if we want to simulate events with precision. On the other hand, rand between can be useful when we want random integer numbers, such as generating numbers for a lottery, picking a winner from a pool of people, creating a dice simulator, or even generating a random password. In other words, it offers flexibility. In case you are wondering how to create such scenarios with rand between in Excel, the video that just appeared on the screen is perfect for you.